Hey family, welcome back to my channel. You're here with Alicia Symone. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look today. If you would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. I'ma stay to it, yeah. Tell me, are you pushing? Do you love somebody? Alright you guys, I'm about to just pop on some gloss real quick. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. It's Nika K lip gloss in the color Cherry. It's just cute. I love it. Like, this is literally a perfect everyday gloss. Alright, so we about to get these brows popping. You guys know that I absolutely love and stan my salami eyebrow tattoo, and I'm gonna use it with an angled brush. I literally was trying to get my brows in shape somewhat because I'm like, I'm not about to go on the screen looking like a werewolf, but hey, here we are. This broke on me and I was just like, oh, we doing this today. I pretty much do my brows the same as I've always done them, but I do want to start like messing with the shape a little bit and experimenting, but we ain't gonna do that right now. But I've been using it for a long time and nothing's ever happened to me. People try to act so fake bougie when it comes to like certain products, what they will and they won't use, but it's like, stop frauding. Like it's like, no, but I don't act bougie towards products. Like, I will try almost any product. I am weary about certain things on my like face, you know, but I did do a test patch when I got it. I tested it on my hand to see if like any kind of reaction, and it was fine. So I put it on my eyebrows and I've been in love with it ever since. One eyebrow is just always shitting on the other one. Like, I don't understand why it has to be competition all the time. Like, okay, so for my brows, I'm just gonna use tan sand. Of course, I'm just gonna drag this down. But people be surprised, like, you'll be surprised how you can finesse your eyebrows and makeup. People be like, your brows not that bad. But I be like, bitch, if you see these brows without makeup on, they have no guidance. This brush I'm going to be using to just buff this in like I always do. Real Techniques. We're going to use this Focal palette. Whoops. This color is called Tiramisu. I'm just going to start blending it. I'm going to try to blend it as I'm packing it in and just kind of move it around a little bit. I really do like these shadows though. They're very blendable. I'm going to take this yellow color in this palette called Skyline, and I'm just going to buff out the edges of that color right there. I'm going to add some more of that Tiramisu color. It's kind of like a deep reddish color called The Night. It's like a dark brown, a chocolate dark brown. I'm just gonna use this Cor-De palette right quick. It has a black in here that I'm gonna use. That was a lot of blending. So first I'm gonna take some Q-tips, and this is a new thing I started doing because of Destiny. She's Damier on, I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but she's Damier on Instagram, and I'm just going to start carving out my eye with it just to get off any excess shadow. Oh, bitch. I'm going to be using this glitter palette. It's literally a palette with different chunky glitters in it. So we better do a wing real quick. So I'm actually gonna hurry up and do this eye, and I'll be right back because I don't want to just take up all of the time. But we're back and we're about to get into this face. I actually have a new foundation. So freaking bomb. I don't know why I haven't gotten it sooner. This Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I absolutely love it. I'm going to use my Pond's Nourishing Moisturizer. Really want to try the Kylie Skin. I want to try it so bad. I honestly only want to try that Vanilla Milk Toner. I don't know why, that just grab it, like it just pulls me in. Like I just want to try that so bad. Time Check lotion by MAC Cosmetics is one of my favorite primers. It's a smooth base for your foundation to go on top of. It helps smooth your skin, hydrate, and it just makes your skin look so healthy. So surprisingly, this foundation, I don't even have to mix it to get it to be my color. What I found that I like to do is when I'm putting on my foundation, I put it in areas that generally need more coverage, aka under the eyes, around the mouth for me because I got a mustache. So like around the mouth, okay. Cheeks, I get like acne scars, so that's where I place the foundation. Listen guys, your mind's about to be blown because nobody ever said this before. I came up with this saying no, but I don't know, because watch somebody be like, no, actually give credit. Like, shut the fuck up. But yeah, I generally just put the foundation only in areas that need the most coverage. That way, when I start to blend it out, those areas are covered the most, and then the extra product moves to the rest of the face. Instead of putting a whole bunch of foundation on your face, you're only getting the full ass coverage where you really need it, and then the rest of the product is just moving it around to even it out. If that makes any freaking sense, I really hope it does. And you know, have your skin looking like skin. Right now we have our foundation on. So I'm gonna contour first. I'm gonna contour using this Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, and this is C18. I haven't cream contoured in the longest. So lately, I've been mixing my highlight. Usually, I'll just do tan sand. But now I've been mixing it with deep because I actually got this one because it ended up being too dark. And this one's too light, and I feel like there's just not a perfect in between. So I mixed them like that. Of course, my True Match L'Oreal powder in C8, circular motion. Take some of my Studio Fix powder in NC45, and I'm just going to dust this lightly over my face. It just kind of helps to get rid of any like powderiness I have. There shouldn't be, because Airspun doesn't really do that to me, but just in case, I always do. So my camera cut off again because I wasn't paying attention to the time. I'm not even gonna blame it on the camera this time. Camera always shuts off at 30 minutes and I have to click record again, and I wasn't looking at the time, so sorry guys. But this is what we have so far. I am highlighted and contoured. I'm gonna take some color and just go under our eyes with it. I feel like I suck at the inner corner because I don't know how people's inner corners be looking so perfectly round. Like, it looks like it belongs there, and mine always ends up looking like strange, like a weird shape. Like, by the way, I do have a video on how I make my own bottom lashes and how I put them on, so if you want, you can go check that out. I'll put a little drawing right here, whatever, you can go check that out. But I'll be right back, and I'll come back after I'm done putting them on. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got ahead of myself and I put on a Falsie already. These Falsies are from True Doll Beauty as well. The info is going to be in the description box. And yeah, I have my bottom lashes. Lashes really can take a look from 100 to 100 and thousands, I know. it can really take a look from like 0 to 100. A little bit more added drama. Only time where drama is permitted. So I'm going to do my mold that I have right here. People always ask me if this is real, and I'm just like, yep. Setting spray by Milani. It is a matte finish. And I just press. This is a Nika K eye pencil, but I use it as a lip liner. NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This does have a pink tint to it, so